Tell you what, I'll believe you're not a gloater if you tell me which arm he hasn't got.
His left, of course. Now let me see my husband!
Right. It's the left. Good luck.
Gloaters, you really are prat, aren't you? Right, now don't forget, in 2 minutes you interrupt me, all right? And no more than 2 minutes, otherwise I'm in real trouble. And don't forget, because...
Because we're not at home to Mr. Cockup.
Correct.
Remember the voice, my lord.
Yes.
Enter.
James,
My darling.
how are you?
Oh, fine. Food's not bad. Apart from the sausages.
Your voice is somehow different.
Oh, how?
Somehow lighter. Not as deep nor booming as once it was.
Is that better?
Oh, my darling!
Oh, call me by that name you always called me to show your love is still strong.
Yes. Look, do you think that this is quite the time and the place for that sort of thing?
Please.
This is the specific, secret little name that I always used to call you. You want to be called it again, is that right?
Yes. The one like your little pumpkin.
The one like your little pumpkin, but not actually your little pumpkin.
No.
Right then, my little pumpkiny wumpkiny.
Oh, my darling! Ah! Your arm!
What's wrong with it?
What happened to it?
Well, I'm rather hurt. You don't remember yourself, in fact.
But it was only cut off at the elbow. What happened to the rest?
Yes. Well, I got into a scrap here with a fellow who'll call you a nosy little strumpet who's always going blubbing to the Queen. And we got into a fight, and he cut off the top half.
Oh, alas.
Yes, gosh. Well, I think you'd better be going. Lord Blackadder said he was going to be sending in his servant Baldric to collect me.
Perhaps, my lord, he is leaving us for a little longer.
Oh, no, I shouldn't think so. Baldric is usually very punctual.
Perhaps this Baldric is doing it out of kindness.
Oh, no, I shouldn't think so. Baldric is a very unkind person.
Well, then, let us leap on the moment that we have been given and use it to its full.
What?
Let me do the